and 20,000 fleas across the sea. Chapter 1. Dogman jumps the shark. We're almost there. Thank you for coming with me on my date, Dogman. You're making me nervous. This is my breath, okay? Oh boy, this is gonna be great. She's already here. What will I do, Dogman? What do I say? What if she doesn't like me anymore? Hey, Chief. Hey, Nurse Lady. And hello, Dogman. Well, oh, do you like the sky? Yeah, I guess so. Oh. Well, did you three bubble monks gonna order some food? Hey, what's that dog doing here? Well, he's not a dog, he's Dogman. Well, he looked like a dog to me, and I don't allow dogs. Well, oh yeah, well, I don't see a sign. Are you happy here now? And since you are violent outside, I'm gonna take this dogfish and tie to the trash can where he belongs. Now he can't cause any trouble. Oh, hey, yeah, Crash. You better not hurt him. Who's gonna stop me? We are. With a flower with Flipporama. You can't tell me what to do. Oh, yes, we can. You and what army? Him and this pretty. Let the fight begin. Date fight. Are you okay, Dogman? Whoop, I guess you are the better go. Okay. First, twist. That's better. Oh look, new customer. See you later, sunshine. What's wrong, Chief? This is a disaster. Are you kidding? This is the funniest date ever. Thanks, Chief. Chapter 2. Mini Jail. Meanwhile, oh hi, Beacon. How's it going? Did you get my secret escape plan? Yeah. Did you study them? We don't want to escape from the mini jail. What? This menace. But we like it here, Beacon. Yeah, look, we like working in the cafeteria. Look at the yum cupcake we make. Want to try one? I don't want to try a cupcake. I don't want it, and I don't even hungry anymore. You guys made me lose my appetite. How could be so selfish? Move over. Hey, Piggy, can I have one of your? No, I only have 7 left. Do you want me to stuff Steph? No, selfish. Piggy, you got a visitor. Daryl, it's about time. Hey, pew pew, fling fling. Hiya, Piggy. Well, you bring it. Aren't you going to say hello? Hello, Daryl. Do you bring the canary girl? No. Why not? They don't make it anymore. The factory was destroyed, but I bring you something even better. What's this? It's your costume. Costume? What for? For club, Piggy. Don't you remember the friendly friend? I just recruited 2 new members. And I figured if we're gonna be superheroes, we're gonna have costume. These are the most ridiculous costume I ever seen. He's like baby clothes. Who are we? Dumb enough to wear this clothes. Something like this. Oh, hi, Vicky. Look. Oh, look. We touched Vicky off with friendly power. Chapter 3. Helping power. Alright, we got a lot of work to do. I don't want you to play. Why? Because we've got to rebuild our lab. Why? Because I need 2 places to live. Why? Because I can't keep living in my dog man house. Why? Because you guys so irritating. Why? Because you're noisy, you're messy, and you think everything's so hilarious. Why? Because you cut that out. Why? Are you gonna be a wise guy all day? Yeah, probably. But that's just great. You promised me to be good today. You're bad to come with me. You're sure to be helpful. We haven't even started. I've already been a picnic. I'm sorry, Baba. It's not playtime. You hear me? You're not here to play. And that goes for you too. No playing, no playing, no playing. Hi guys. Do you wanna play? Okay, let's go. Meanwhile, good. It's no use. I can't get this ridiculous shirt off. I think Vicky needs our help. How about this friendly friend hug? Swish. How sweet. Oh. Let go of me. If you Bug Gwen want to help, then get my skate bag. Then study them. And boom. Whoa, what's happening? Boom. It's an earthquake. Boom, boom. Whoa, are crumbling. We're gonna die. Bye-bye, Cranky. So long, Bub. Who could be causing this fallible communities? Bad. Chapter 4. Bad, Mr. Stinkus. Hey, you dropped that. That's a bad, Mr. Stinkus. You drop that right now. Drop it. Stinkorama. Flip. Smash. Good, Mrs. Sprinkles. Well, come on, Clunky. Where you two going? We're gonna find your sleepy grands and figure out how to escape. Okay, Daryl, let's go. But Piggy, what about Monkey and Bug? Guess about those guys. This is selfish. Oh, they care about helping others. They never but me first. And we can't just leave them behind. Oh, so you're selfish to her. It's all about you, isn't it? I'm sorry, Piggy. Let's cry more flying. Oh, okay, Piggy. Hey, wait for us. So long, circus. Chapter 5. A bunch of stuff that happened next. Meanwhile, hey look, it's the swing. A swing on it. You wish, do you think it's safe? Of course it's safe. Chompy drama. What could possibly go wrong? I'm sorry, nurse lady. I'm sorry too. Sorry we didn't try that sooner. Let's do it again. Come on, fellas. Meanwhile, okay, Mr. Cat. I hope you rebuilt over. Let's get started. Hey, look, there he is. Hi, Wally. Guess what he did, Molly? We made you a present. See, it's a comic about you. How sweet. I appreciate your breath smell like coffee. I appreciate your gift, but I don't have time for reading it. That's okay, Wally. I'll read it for you. Wally's world. One time, Wally was in a bad mood, as usual. First, he slipped on a banana peel, then he fell down the stair. Then the bee stung his butt. I'm mad, so I gonna build my own world where nobody can bother me. So Wally started building. He worked and worked. Finally, he was done. But Wally exploded all our space. Now I can be happy. But then, well, did you like it, Wally? No, it doesn't even make sense. And where was that last part blank? Oh, you can think about anything. Oh, me though. Sometimes it's hard to think of idea, yeah. Oh, I see. So something is very hard, you just quit. Is that right? Is that your teacher comic cup of yours? No? No? It's too hard, so let's just give up. Because you're all bunch of little baby creatures. I'm sorry, we are sorry, Wally. My name is not Wally. It's Petey the cat. Wait, you're Petey the cat? Yeah. Aren't you the guys who stole all the pens, toilets, and made everyone wet their pants? That was a long time ago. I have already been punished for that. I've paid my debt to society, and the governor pardoned me. Ever since then, I live my... Hey, where you going? Away from you. But you said you'll help me rebuild my lab. You're on your own, Silbert. Don't worry. We'll find somebody else to help me. Well, I can't believe they left without us. It's so sad, but then, Hey, Ducky, what's that noise? It's me, Mike. Let's find out. And look, it's Crunchy and Bird. Are they crying? Should we help them? Okay. And so, we're helping you cry. Taste it. If only you could help us. Hey, we can do that. Chapter 6. Leave friends and go. Right. Freedom must last. But I miss Cranky and Bob. Will you forget about those guys? They're nothing but trouble. Do it eat, laugh, and make it ridiculous song. And furthermore, hey Vicky, you're back, and we just made up a new song. When you hear it, no! And a one, and a two, and a friendly friend, flying through the sky. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a beetle, moths and fly. Friendly friend, on with friendly hugs. Oh, what fun it is to ride on the back of friendly bugs, dashing to the sky. On the beetle, moths and flies, all the hills so high. Laughing till we cry, ha ha, walk soaring to the air, swooping here and there. Well, fun it is to share and care without our underwear. Will you cut that out? We've got a serious problem down there. What's wrong, Piggy? Shh. Is that dog had a cat? He sound asleep. Don't make any noise. What? Rowdy and Rama. Face. Go. Watch out, Drower. You're gonna crash. No, we're not. Uncle Larry. Darryl. What is this place? This is our Friendly Friend Action Headquarters. We can use this technology to spread joy and sunshine all over the world. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm thinking. Chapter 7. Castle Culture. Meanwhile, sorry, I can't help you. Sorry, but we are closed. Sorry, but I lose my tooth. and my hand hurts, and it's too sunny. My truck went stop. How come nobody is gonna go help us? Because I went to jail and I told you the story in the last one. Oh, you probably don't listen. Yeah, tell us again. What's the point? I tried to do good. I tried. Nobody cares. I always be the bad guy. Meanwhile, that sounds like darkness. Come on, Zulu. A drop woman. Something at the beach, under the roof, on the sea, the trees, the fleas. Are you talking about Peter and the girl? And the flea is back in the water. Oh no, it's I'd better lock the media. Beep 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 boop. Ring ring. Hey Sarah, what's up? Bob, listen closely. The fleas are back and then more than ever. They at the beach under the sea. Under the beach, under the sea, here where they are making a supersize up. They're making stuff. Oh no, I better tell the boss 2 months later. Supersized submarines? Yeah, and there's more of them than ever. There's a spokes. We gotta patch it up. Give it some moxie. How many more are there? So which boss? I don't know. It could be 1, 10, 100, or even 20,000. 20,000? That's your head now. 20,000 fleas under the sea. Now, go write me a story and I can see me chop things too. Okay, but that's not be true. True? Nobody cares about the truth. This is new, baby. It's all about the cakes. Chapter 8. 20,000 fleas under the sea. Invasion. Meanwhile, this place is amazing. Thanks, Vicky. My Uncle Larry built it all. He's the genius. Oh, shit. What's that? Oh, that is flying stuff. It was inspired by nobody cares. Only things I care about does this work. It sure does. Boy. Is all I ever wanted. It's beautiful. As better far is, I got the whole place myself. Oh boy, let's get out of here. Hey, Big. Okay, Biggie, let's get this stuff out of here. Wait, it can't fit in that tiny doors. Don't worry, Biggie. Like this. I'll build the inside farm to make it certain. Start restricting 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shrinking now. Stop. Answer. Nice job, Uncle Larry. Awesome. Now can you make a second? A certain supper go in 5 seconds. Hey, this isn't true. I never said 20,000. I never said there are submarines. I never. Never mind. Chapter 9. Philadelphia. The real interrupted display with a terrifying report all across the beach under the sea. Here's 20,000 feet was really under the sea. Experts believe these fleas can attack any moment. So our world temperatures in terror. Actually, the whole world is afraid. We are friendly friends. We're gonna make everyone happy. Oh, everyone happy. But how? Well, what makes you guys happy? Laughing, smiling, playing, cupcakes, they were all good answer. If you are 5 years old,